Today we are going to make a paper helicopter. So let's see what things we will require to make it. We require a paper and a pencil and scale for making it. So let's start. You have to make it dimensions of 25 into 3. So now we have taken the cutout. Now we will make it into half. Now we have done half of it. Now we will do it half from this side. And now make the dimensions, leaving some place from the center from three sides. Now we will make into two halves. Now we will fold from the below till half. Now we will divide this part also into two from some below. Now we will tear it from the above 2 centimeters. Now we will take it like this and then have the pencil like this. Our paper helicopter is ready. Now let's try whether it flies or not. Now to have a trial, you have to go near the corner of the room, turn on the fan and then put in a position like this and then just leave it. As you saw how good it flew, now one precaution you have to take, that if it flies slowly then you have to cut it from the above, and if it flies very much fast then you have to cut it from the bottom.